So you wake up in the morning and expect from yourself that today is going to be a successful day. But what are the key elements of a successful day? In this video, we are going to discuss about 5 key elements of a successful day. By the way, if you are meeting first time, I am Manav and welcome to Prior Self, and this is what we do. We prioritize ourselves, we prioritize our future self. If you want to improve your future self, you have to start your journey right now by subscribing to this channel. And also don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss anything. So without further ado, let's start. If you expect from yourself a successful day, make sure that the 5 things that I'm going to tell you, you follow all these things. These 5 keys that I'm going to tell you are kind of promises that you have to make from yourself. First key, you have to say to yourself that you are not going to make any excuse. Promise to yourself right now, right at this moment of time, that you are not going to make any excuses. I know that during the day things are going to be so much harder. You are going to face really hard obstacles, but you are not going to make any excuses. You are not going to procrastinate at all. And if you want to learn about best anti-procrastination hack, there is going to be a video in the I button, so don't forget to check this video out. The moment you make excuse, you give up control, you give up on yourself. You lose all the hope that you can do anything. Your excuses can seem reasonable to you, but they are just excuses, they are illogical. And if you want a successful day, promise to yourself that you are not going to make any excuse. If there is a difficulty, you might try another approach. If there is a problem, you might take help of someone, but you are not going to make any excuses to give up. Second key to a successful day is you have to say to yourself that I am going to be happy today. Imagine you are constantly saying to yourself that you are not worth it, you are not feeling motivated, you are not happy. You are talking to yourself so much negative. Do you expect yourself to be happy? Do you expect yourself to be successful? Hell no. If you want to be successful, at least think about all the things you are grateful for. A successful person is never sad. He may be frustrated, he may be angry because he was not able to get what he wanted, but he or she never stops at that point. They work on themselves, they improve themselves, they learn new skills, they learn different so that they can overcome this problem. And if you always say to yourself that you are sad, you are going to be sad. And if you are sad, you are not going to feel motivated to do something. But on the opposite side, if you say to yourself that you are going to be happy and you are happy, then happy things are going to happen to you. You are going to find happiness even on the smaller things. Identify those things that you are grateful for and say to yourself that I am going to be happy. Third key to a successful day, I am going to take each and every responsibility I get. If you want to be successful, number thing you have to ensure is that you are responsible of what you are given. There is nothing more attractive than a responsible person. If you commit something, if you take responsibility of something, don't back out. Be a little more committing, be a little more responsible. And you have to promise to yourself that you are going to take any responsibility you are going to get. Since you already promised to yourself that you are not going to make any excuses, also try to make sure that you are not going to avoid any kind of responsibilities. Even if these responsibilities are really smaller, like buying groceries, to a bigger thing like leading a project, you are going to take each and every responsibilities. You are going to be a leader, you are going to be a responsible person. Fourth key that is going to make your day successful is I am going to help at least one person. See, we are normal human beings and we don't have any kind of superpower. So we can't save the earth. But one thing we can do to feel superheroic is by helping each other. You can really help someone by really smaller things like giving right advice, by helping with their work or appreciating them. These are really smaller things and people really appreciate for what you do. And once people start to appreciate you, they are going to respect your authority. And if you want to be a good leader, if you want people to help you back, and if you want to be successful, you need to start helping each other. Because once you help another person, they are going to feel compelled to help you as well. And once you are in need of help, they are going to help you as well. So commit to yourself that you are going to help at least one person today. Fifth and the final thing that you need to promise to yourself that I am going to avoid this bad habit of mine for today. Bad habits doesn't have any special things. Just like good habits, bad habits are stuck in our memories similarly. And these bad habits are not going to vanish overnight. You have to work on yourself, you have to improve yourself to get rid of these bad habits. So at least promise today that you are going to avoid this bad habit. It can be anything. Because each and every night when you are about to hit the bed, you feel guilty that you did something that you are not supposed to do. And this guiltiness is going to affect your productivity. So commit today, promise yourself today that you are not going to do this particular bad habit. And if you are successful for one single day, you are going to be successful for 2 single days, and you can do it twice, thrice, or as many as times you want to do that. And that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to check out my other videos. I will mention some of my best videos right here, so don't forget to check these videos out. Like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video another time very soon. Until then, peace out.